Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is a song called This Ole House. Sad words, but with a lively beat. It was a big success for Rosemary Clooney, reaching the top of the popular music charts in both the US and the UK in 1954. And the song again topped the UK charts in 1981 in a recording by Shakin Stevens. And there's also a recording by Stuart Hamblin, who wrote the song again in 1954. The story is that Hamblin was supposedly on a hunting expedition in the Sierra with a fellow hunter, the actor John Wayne, and they came across a dilapidated old hut in the mountains. Inside was the body of a man, his dog still by his side, alive. It's only got 3 chords. I'll sing it through and then I'll go through the chords and the strumming patterns. This ole house once knew my children, this ole house once knew my wife, this ole house was home and comfort, as we fought the storms of life. This ole house once rang with laughter, this ole house heard many shouts, now she trembles in the darkness where the lightning walks about. Ain't gonna need this house no longer, ain't gonna need this house no more. Ain't got time to fix the shingles, ain't got time to fix the door, ain't got time to oil the hinges nor to mend the window pane. Ain't gonna need this house no longer, I'm getting ready to meet the saints. This old house is getting shaky, this old house is getting old. This old house lets in the rain and this old house lets in the cold. On my knees I'm getting chilly, but I feel no fear or pain, 'cause I see an angel peeking through a broken window pane. Ain't gonna need this house no longer, ain't gonna need this house no more. Ain't got time to fix the shingles, ain't got time to fix the floor, ain't got time to oil the hinges nor to mend the window pane. Ain't gonna need this house no longer, I'm getting ready to meet the saints. My old hound dog lies a-sleeping, he don't know I'm going to leave, else he'd wake up by the fireplace and he'd sit and howl and grieve. But my hunting days are over, gonna hunt the coon no more. Gabriel brought my chariot in when the wind blew down the door. Ain't gonna need this house no longer, ain't gonna need this house no more. Ain't got time to fix the shingle, ain't got time to fix the floor, ain't got time to oil the hinges nor to mend the window pane. Ain't gonna need this house no longer, 'cause I'm ready to meet the saints. As I say, this song's only got 3 chords in it. It's in the key of C, so we start with a C chord, then an F chord, then a G7, then a C. This old house once knew my children, the house once knew my wife. Notice I keep my finger there, press those down. Always keep your fingers in contact with the strings if you can, if you move from one chord to another one. Then you've got exactly the same pattern again. This old house, this house once rang with laughter, this old house one had any shouts, now she trembles in the darkness when the lightning walks about. Look for patterns, always. And there's another pattern coming up in the chorus. It's the F, starts with F chord, this old house is longer, C, G7, then C again. And exactly the same pattern of chords for the next half. Strumming patterns, you can go to town on this a little bit. I use a chunk stroke, going across with the thumb, then across with the floppy fingers and deaden the sound immediately. So you get this, and you can come back with the thumb as well. In various patterns. I think I also use a finger and thumb together like this. if you want more on strumming patterns, have a look at my video called Strumming Patterns on the Ukulele. It's available for free. You can download it from the link at the end of this video. Well, I hope you'll have a go at this. It's a nice, a bit sad song, as I say, but quite a simple one to play and quite good fun to sing as well. Anyway, whatever you do and however you do it, have fun.